Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be talking about all things PMD today. Are you up on your acronyms? So this stands for the Personal Microdermabrasion. Personal because you don't need to go into a spa to get it done. Now, a personal microdermabrasion or a microdermabrasion treatment would typically cost you about $100. They are a little bit expensive every single time that you go. The whole point of this was someone said, well, is there a way for me to do it on my own, in the comfort of my own home? I pay a certain amount and I keep using it over and over and over and over again. And that's where PMD came from. So I'm going to show you how to best use your personal microdermabrasion. I'm going to show you other little accessories that come with it. They can be confusing, so I want to guide you through it so that when you purchase this, you're going to know exactly how to put it together, exactly how to use it, how often to use it, and what all the other little things are. So this came from PMD as well. Can you hear that? It's like vibrating. I'm going to put it next to my microphone. It's pulsing. It's like a disco. And then that's total techno, right? So there's lots of different, all these little scrubby brushes, they're all like silicone right here. They're all gonna really going to get off that outer layer of epidermis, that skin, the dead skin that keeps your skin from looking vibrant, that keeps your makeup from looking amazing. It's gonna get all of that off. It is going to just really exfoliate that really well. And always be washing your face twice. That was one thing that I learned very early on, is that you're kind of washing off, getting makeup off. There's still some residue, okay? So you want to wash one more time. What I typically like doing, sorry, I keep forgetting I have a microphone there. What I typically like to do is I like to wash my face first, and I have been using this guy right here, and I'm loving it. I will use that. Then I will use it again by spritzing some on here and just going back and forth, circular motions, all that kind of stuff all over. Because you really want to get the most benefit from this PMD. So you really want to make sure that you've washed your face. Now on this side, so there's a button right here and there's also a button back here. And what you do is you turn this on. You can tell that it's on because the light's on. And this gets warm. Have you ever gone to have a massage where they put the hot stones on your back? It feels really warm, but not too warm. It's just perfect. It's like the perfect amount of hot. This gets that warm. This is quartz in here, and I love to put, not toner, I love to put any essential oils or like serums on my face, and then the warmth of this melts it all into my face. So I love using this after I'm done with the microdermabrasion, and oh, it is like I'm feeling it right now, and I just want to put it against my skin, but I have makeup on, so I don't want to. But this, I cannot even describe to you how good this will feel. This is all a spa at your own home and at your own convenience. Now for me, I'm about to turn 40. And a lot of people would ask me about my skincare routine because I do crazy things to my skin. I put body paint on my skin. I'm using makeup all the time. I'm using some makeup that's pretty, not a lot of the makeup that I use is toxin free, even though I'm kind of trying to get to that point. And so I just want to hold this. I really want to make sure that I am being kind to my skin. So many people are asking me like, your skin looks pretty amazing. Like, what's your skincare routine? And I just thought about it. I'm like, you know what? I don't have one other than just washing my face and going to bed. And I'm kind of getting up there in years. And I would really like, maybe I'm a little bit late to the game, but I'd really like to start thinking about it. So that's when I reached out to PMD, because I'm like, you guys, you're the ones that my friends are talking about. You're the ones that in my mind have it all figured out, because there's a statistic out there, and it's pretty disgusting, the amount of dead skin that we're all walking around with, and it just dulls your skin terribly. And this is going to help. So this, for all of those people that have been asking, oh my word, it's so warm right now. Oh, dare I? Oh, I'm just going to do it. Oh, that feels so good. This is for you. This is what I'm doing. This is the thing that I'm starting to try. I've been trying it for the last month and I have enjoyed it so much. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and wash my face, and I'm going to show you how to use this guy right here. Another thing I like about this cleanser buddy of mine is that it is completely sealed all over the place. So I can run this under water and really wash it off and get all the makeup off. And that way it's a lot more hygienic than anything else that I've been using. The cool thing is though, is that when you want to charge it, this thing on the bottom, now this took me a second. So that's why I want to let you know. This took me a hot second. So down here at the bottom, it looks like it's completely enclosed. But if you push this in, then you can plug it in and you can charge it, and it's awesome. But then when you take it out, it seals back up. How cool is that? So you can totally put this all underwater. No worries, no worries. Okay, so I've washed off my makeup all around here and in the T-zone area. Now, when you first get your device, it's going to look like this. It's not going to have anything on the top. You are going to have 2 caps that come, and then you're going to have an array of little guys and bigger guys. These are called discs. These have a certain amount of exfoliation, and you start with the this one is a white one. This one really won't do anything at all, but what it helps you to know is how sensitive your skin is to this. So the thicker cap, the one that has a thicker like mouth, if you will, this is for the rest of your body, okay? This one is for your face. So you're gonna put that on, very easy. You just get it on there, and then you get the cap and you screw it on. There are 2 different speeds. Okay, for that, you're going to feel suction. You just really want to stay going in motion and make sure that you're working upward. There are a few places like right here, I've noticed that I go down and then I kind of go down just right on the sides, but everywhere else it's like an upward, outward motion. This white disc is just to kind of test the area. You know what they say about like cleaning a carpet with a solution or cleaning a couch? They always say, test a small inconspicuous spot, you know, and be good with it. So you start with your white one, but like I said, that's not necessarily going to do anything. That's just for testing. Please, heavens to Betsy, do not start with the red. The red is intense. Like if you feel it, it's nice and coarse. And so it's going to be doing some good stuff to your skin. Let's not start with the biggest one, right? Like the most abrasive one. So you have your gray. Again, like I did a little swatch test and I noticed my skin really wasn't affected by it at all. And so I should, in my opinion, I probably shouldn't have started with the gray. I wish I would have started with the blue. The blue is the next one. Now there are these little ones, and you notice I held up a big one. This is for the body, so that wider mouth cap with this disc. But these ones, it will go gray, blue, green, and red. And they say that each one of these can be used like 5 different times for 5 different treatments. You want to use this once a week. Once a week. Any more than that, it's too much. You don't need to be using it that often. But they said that each one of these could be used for like 5 times. So if you think about that, that is a lot of treatments that you're getting for this amazing price. And I actually have a discount code for you too, so that's awesome. So I say start with this one, swatch, figure out how it is, figure out how you PMD, and then go from there. I am probably now on the blue, and so I'm going to attach that. I'm going to show you how I do it. Again, so simple, so easy. Just put that right on top until it clicks, and then the smaller mouth cap for the face. Now it helps when you're holding this, and I use the 1 speed. I haven't been brave enough to go to the top, but you want to hold your skin ever so slightly so that you can do this, and you're going to keep going up. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Now sometimes I don't get that suction, and it's because I probably need to hold my skin a little bit better. Not more tight, but just better. It'll probably be easier to do it on this side because this is the side that I'm showing you. You see how this is working? Now, more often than not, you are gonna get lines on your face. And it's kind of like when you're vacuuming your carpet and you see that starting to happen. Well, if you see like the white lines, that's your dead skin coming off. I mean, it's pretty crazy. So you're gonna go around your whole face like this. So right here is where I go down, like I said. But everywhere else, it's like upward. Sometimes it's hard to get that suction. There we go. Okay. And for the sake of time, I'm going to not do my whole entire face, but that's basically what you're going to do. And as soon as you rinse off the dead skin, you will be amazed at how smooth your skin feels. Now, like I said, I've been using this for about a month. So that's about 4 or 5 treatments that I've done. They say the more you use this, the more you're gonna see a reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. The more you're gonna see acne scarring, or any scarring for that matter, go away, and you're going to see even skin tone. So that's pretty exciting, and I'm excited to see those results. So for right now, we're gonna leave it as is. I haven't done the whole entire face, but I wanted you to see how I use this because it can be so daunting. When I first got it, I honestly put it to the side for like a week because I was scared to use it. So as soon as I got in there and started using it, my life was changed and I love it. My skin felt really, really great. Now let's put those discs aside and let's talk about the other things that you can get from PMD that are pretty amazing. Now, as soon as we have done this, we've basically just, like I said, stripped that outer layer of epidermis to where now our skin is going to more readily accept or soak in some expensive products that we buy, right? So some products that you can get, this is the anti-aging mask from PMD, and this, I've got to say, is my favorite. I have to say it is my favorite. So you pull this out, and when you open it up, there is a mask that is hiding in between 2 layers. So you peel off one layer, you peel off the other, and then you put it on and you say, hello, Clarice. Just kidding. Good movie reference for you there though. But I'm gonna teach you guys a trick. So all of this collagen that tons of people go and pay big money for, you can just put this on at home. But I have to tell you guys a secret. There is so much collagen in here, it's ridiculous, okay? So when I pull out my mask, this is a mask that has already been used. Did you hear me? It's already been used, but it's by me, so who cares? So it is so packed full of collagen. Again, there is so much product in these little envelopes that what I have done, and it's a great money-saving tip for you, is that when I've opened it up, and I've taken the front backing off and the back backing off, and then this is the mask on the inside. It's just this clear, slimy little guy, and it's so cool, like temperature-wise. You put it on and your whole face feels so good. It's like a cooling effect all over the place. I put it on, you keep it on for 15-20 minutes, then you take it off. There will be collagen left on. Oh my word, don't wash it off. For the love of St. Francis, you rub that in everywhere. You don't want to get rid of this collagen. Well, like I said, there's so much in here. I put the backing back on and I put it back into the case. And I have just made a mask work for me multiple times. It's going to help with elasticity in our skin, so the tightness of our skin. It definitely gives a ton of moisture to the skin, and that's something that we're really, really lacking in our skin. I know way more than half of us are not even drinking the water that we should. So using these products, reminding ourselves to hydrate from the inside out, and then also putting these types of products on top, it's amazing. And if you want to start somewhere with your skincare routine, I definitely recommend PMD. Another thing that they have is this toner that I've been using. As soon as I use a think of the words, an exfoliant on my clients. I will spritz this on them and it is just wonderful. Let's read about it. Deeply nourishes the skin with a multivitamin and mineral complex that is essential for healthy cell activity. And you know that when you're using these products, they're gonna work that much better when you don't have tons and tons of dead skin on your face. Whenever you put on your makeup, you paid money for that. You paid money because you were expecting a result, and that result will come to you even better if you are exfoliating, if you are hydrating, if you are doing the steps beforehand that it takes to make that makeup look amazing, to make your skin look amazing. So this one actually scares me a little bit. I haven't tried it yet. I have tried other lip plumping products to where you put your lips in and it hasn't worked out very, very well. So what I'm thinking is that if you guys decide that you're going to get yourself a PMD and you get some of the accessories, I think it would be fun to do a lip challenge on my Instagram, and we will do this together. I will fight my fear for you. And we'll set a date and everybody will order and we will all use this together, and then we'll share one with another how it worked. I mean, I can't tell because I can't see the rest of her face, but she seems happy about this. She seems to want to use it again. She's calling it to her lips. So yeah, anti-aging lip enhancing treatment. Maybe for those of us that have done the duck face for too long. I am loving the results that I'm seeing from PMD. I cannot wait to keep moving forward because the more you move forward with this product, the more amazing results that you're going to see. So head on over to my Instagram and I will link below the coupon code that you can get to get some money off of this. But just know this is worth every penny. This goes above and beyond. I've done masks, I've done exfoliating treatments at home, and this by far is way better than all of those. So I'm super happy with it. I'm continuing to use it. Cannot wait to get to that 12-week mark where they say you will just be blown away by the luminosity of your skin. So be sure to use my code and you can get some money off. If you don't want money off, don't use the code. But this PMD is pretty stinking amazing. All right, I can't wait to keep sharing results with you as the weeks progress. This is not over. This is not a one and done thing. This is a lifestyle. We're gonna keep going with this. I'm not done with transformation, so my skin's gonna need that exfoliation that the PMD can give me. So see you in my next video. Oh my goodness. Can you guys just get one and like experience the magic with me? You have one day where we just all sit like this. You feel it? Yeah, I can feel it too. That's what amazing. Yeah, you feel it? Yeah.